So friends, welcome back. This is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session will be learning advanced filter. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. What is advanced filters? So normal filter we use filtering using the data and filters. So if you use filters here, select this data, go to data, filters. So we can go ahead and filter. So you want to filter somebody, let's say Rajesh, Ram. So you can filter by like this. But using advanced filter, we can copy the data to a separate sheet. You can filter in a current sheet also. So let's do that. So let's remove the normal filters. So for that, let's copy the headers. Say on what basis we are trying to do the filters. So let's say I'm filtering based on the name. So I'm copying the employee name. Say I'll copy two names, Karthik and Manju. So I need to filter the people Karthik and Manju's data. Okay, let's do it. So you can click anywhere in the source data. This is the data and go to data, advanced filters. So advanced filters, when you click, it's already taking the range. If it is not taking, just delete this. So prior to that, action point. What is the action point here? It says filter the list in place or copy to the another location. But right now, what we are doing is we're just trying to filter in the same place. So I'm going to select the range of this data, right? And in the criteria range, I'm just removing this criteria. I'm just trying to filter the criteria is nothing but what basis we are trying to filter it. So we're filtering based on Karthik and Manju, right? So once you select, click OK. So now you can see the Karthik and Manju's data is popped up here. And and one more thing is here it is, you can see this 79 rows have been hidden. So there is no need to put a filters here. So if you want to remove the filters, advanced filters, just go to data. You can see the clear button here. Just click on this. Now it has come back, right? Let's say I'll copy the date of joining. I need to know whether Manju or Karthik joined prior to January 1st, right? 2017. But so here it says 17. So what it does, it will going to select whether these two people are joined on 1st January. But that is not the fact because we need to know if it is joined after January 2017. For that, you can put it a greater sign, greater than this date. So let's try. So what I'm doing is anything if these two people were joined after 2017, it should be filtered. So let's go to the advanced filters again. So it's list range. I can select here, or just click on the source data. Where is just click here and do the advanced filter. So automatically takes the range of that criteria. Criteria is taking only the K column, right? So we need to get the L column. Just delete it. Select the from the headers to the data. So I'm selecting the filters the list. I'm trying to filter the data. Click OK. So nobody has joined prior to. I think these two people are joined after 2017. Let's see. Clear the filters. Let's change the sign to lesser, less than this. So I'm just putting these two same. Let's do that same thing now. Advanced filters, right? The range is already taken from K to L. Not a problem. So just click OK. Oh, so what is the issue now here? So signs have not changed it here. That's the problem. So I'm just changing the signs now. Less than January. We are looking for whether they joined prior to 2017. Let's do that. So advanced filter here the range. So let's select the range here again. Click OK. So now you can see they both are joined 2015 September and the September date and the details, right? So be able to find the details here. So click clear the buttons now. So now you got the results. Let's say I'll remove this. I need to find amount, right? So hope you can see this clearly. Amount. So let's say people who joined prior to 2017 were earning less than 20,000. So let's see how many people are earning less than 20,000 who have joined prior to 2017. Okay. So let's click on here, go to data, so advanced filter. So now it is taking the range. So again here we'll go and select the range now because we added one more column. So select the entire date. So we are left the employee name as blank. We are trying to find the date of joining and the amount column. Let's click OK. So or you can select this too. So no need of using this because it's only one criteria. So advanced filter, just remove this criteria range, select this criteria, click OK. Now you can see the 4 people who are joined prior to 2017 and their salary is less than 20,000. So easy to get the data just using this criteria, right? Let's say but I need to copy this particular date. Same thing is somewhere here down, but I need to copy only the name, amount, name and amount, right? 3 columns. So say I need to get name, date, date of joining, and the amount. Say I need to copy the designation also. Let's we copy the designation to see. So what is that? So I've taken this headers. So if you take this headers, it should pull only the related data. Say I need to get only the name, date of joining, designation, the amount. Let's start doing it. Click on this source data, advanced filter. It's already selected. So here instead of filter, we are copying the data to another location, right? We need the data here. Criteria range, it's already taken, so it is taking the range correctly. Here the copy to is nothing but what you need to copy. So we are copying to here. So you need to select this headers. Remember, when you copy to this, select this header so that it will going to filter one. It will going to get the data related to this headers. Click OK. So now you can see people who have joined less than 2017 and earning less than 20,000. This data is taken here. So very simple and easy to get it here. Let's say I don't want to get the data here, but I want to get it in a new sheet. Let's create a sheet here. Let's say it's a result sheet. Okay. The criteria is same. I just copy this same thing here. Let's put it somewhere here. So let's make it a little bigger so that you're able to see. Okay. And let's it be like that. So right now I need to get the data of, say example, I need to get this only this people's result here. So I'll put the headers right now here. So let's put the advanced filters now. So select data, advanced filters. So copy to, we need to copy data, copy. The range is already selected, this range, criteria range, remove it. Copy to also remove because it is taking from here. Criteria range, I need to select the criteria is here, right? And criteria copy to is this. We should copy the data into this result sheet. Now click OK. Now you can see a error here. You can only copy filter data to a active sheet. So what he's trying to say is, so if you want to copy a data, if you putting advanced filter in the source data, it won't take. You should always put, so because the reason is because we started the advanced filter from the source data. So advanced filters, this is the source, right? We are trying to put the advanced filter from the source data. You should not do that. You should always do the end from the end result. End result is nothing but where you want to get the result is in the sheet name is result. So we need to get the result here. So you need to start from here, putting the advanced filter, right? So let's start here. Data, advanced filter. Okay. So now because it is taken, so this is taking this range. So we need to copy the data, copy to the another location. List. This is not the list. We need to go to the source data. So go to the advanced filter. Select the source, right? Criteria is nothing but here to the new sheet. So it's already taking me to the new sheet and copy to the here to the headers. Now hit OK. Now you can see it is taking. So always remember when you trying to put a advanced filter to a other sheet, you should always start from the end result sheet. So where you want to get the data, start putting the advanced filter from there back to the source data, right? You should always remember, others will get the error. So Now we got the details here, right? So let's delete this. So I don't want only these particular headers. So I want to get the entire headers. Say I want all the headers, all this data related to these two. Let's do it. Okay, let's clear this one. Okay, same thing. I'm starting from the result tab, advanced filter, list range is nothing but, so I need to copy the location. So I'll click on the copy to location, go to advanced. So go to this list range, click on it, go to advanced filter, select the source and criteria range. So already selected. So we'll still we do it and select this. Here it is taking the range here. So just remove it. Select only one cell. So if you select one cell, it will going to copy all the headers. See, you can see name, date of joining, contact details, team, designation, everything. So if you want only particular headers, then you need to mention it particular headers. Otherwise, leave it blank. So it will take the entire data here. Let's do the same thing for a new sheet. So I'm creating a new sheet. Control N for a new sheet. So it's a new sheet. The criteria is same. So I'm copying this criteria into a new sheet. Right. This is the source. Since I need to get, say example, I need to get only the employee and the date of joining. I'll copy it here. Okay. So now, so into the new sheet, I'll be using the data validation because I need to get the result here. So sorry, not data validation. Sorry, advanced filters. Sorry guys. Advanced list range. So copy to location. List range. Go to the source. Select the source. Till down. Criteria is nothing but here. You can select this criteria, or you can select only these two. That also works. Copy to, I need to copy this only this headers related data. Click OK. So I know it has taken to the source data. Just go to the new sheet. You can see this data is already taken, right? So if you want to get, so you got the result. It's very simple. Only thing you need to, when you're trying to putting a advanced filter to a new sheet, then you should start from the sheet where you need to get the data. So very simple and very effective. You add a number of criteria and you can get the result. So I've taken only 3 headers. If you have say example, you need to get the employee number, you can put it employee number and copy. You filter it by employee number. I think it's very simple and very helpful. Hope this session was interesting. If you think the video was interesting, kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings, and do like the video. And thank you so much for your time. Happy learning.